In this video I want to share with you one of my favorite autumn comfort food. A super simple and super creamy pasta dish, made with just a few ingredients, cooked in only one pot in just a few minutes. Perfect for busy days, lazy nights or really anytime. First of all, quickly soak 250 grams of mushrooms in water and a little bit of white vinegar. My favorite mushrooms are shiitake, but I couldn't find them anywhere this time, so I bought cremini, but basically any mushroom will work here. Gently remove the dirt. Rinse them under running water. Let them drain for a couple of minutes and slice them. Finely mince half a small onion and half a clove of garlic. To a large pot on medium-low heat, add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and when it's hot, add the onion and the garlic that you minced before. Give it a stir and let cook for a couple of minutes. Add the sliced mushrooms and a pinch of salt. Give it a stir again and cover the pot to let the mushrooms cook for 10 minutes with their own water. Mushrooms need to be cooked for a while to develop flavor and get a softer texture. In the meantime, prepare 100 grams of dry short pasta that cooks in no more than 10 minutes. Here I'm using whole wheat fusilli. You will find my favorite brand in the description box. Turn the heat to medium-high and add a tablespoon of rice flour, which helps to get a creamy texture. Pasta and enough water to keep it completely covered as it cooks. More or less like this. You can also add extra ingredients to improve the flavor of your pasta dish, such as vegetable bouillon cube or paste, soy sauce, black pepper, chili pepper, and fresh parsley. Bring to a boil and then reduce to a simmer. You'll need to check on the pasta, stirring it occasionally to prevent the ingredients from sticking to the bottom, and add more salt if necessary. It's time to complete with grated cheese to taste, or a tablespoon of nutritional yeast if for any reason you want to avoid dairy products. This cream sauce is just divine. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.